So take your time, go through it, पढ़ लो आप लोग.
So this is the set. All the information is given here, right? So we'll be giving you how much time, sir? कितना time दे दें?
5-7 minutes.
5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, in which you will have to solve this set. You'll have to try to solve this set. Okay, so we'll leave you for 5 minutes to solve this set.
Yeah, hi Sonali. That sometimes it happens. The registration date, they do get extended. Yeah. Hi Angelo. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So another couple of minutes left. Try to solve this.
So friends, I hope you are having a good time with this set. Okay, please give your 100% because this is the type of sets that you are going to actually get in CAT or XAT examination, right? So for a good learning, you need to attempt this set. Then only you'll be able to understand things that will be teaching you.
12 का टेबल बना हुआ है? So let's begin. So this is the entire information. Okay, so let's रेड कर ले हम लोग या फिर
येलो
कर ले. Okay. So the first thing is we will be writing down the
chair numbers. Okay, so there are 12 chairs. So Naveen sir is writing all the chair numbers. Okay, and these chairs are categorized into low, medium, and high score. So basically, they are rolling dice. Depending upon what number they are getting, we'll have to categorize them as low, medium, or high. 1 or 2 is low. 3 and 4 is medium or moderate, and 5 and 6 is high. Okay, right.
So I hope this is clear.
Visible to all of you.
Yeah.
Right, it is.
So total number of low we are supposed to have 5. The total number of medium we are supposed to have is 4, and the total number of high we are going to have is 3. अरे वाह सर.
All right. So if I look at this condition, it says that the number of players getting low, moderate, and high scores respectively are 5, 4, and 3. So Naveen sir has already written this. Okay. So we shall start with condition number 1.
येलो कर दीजिए. येलो या रेड नहीं, येलो. पढ़िए.
So condition number 1, the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered either perfect squares or perfect cubes. So perfect squares, perfect cubes. They are talking about these number of chairs, these numbered chairs. So do not get high scores. Fine. So these 4 do not get high scores.
So 1 will not get a high score, 4 will not get a high score, 8 will not get a high score, 9 will not get a high score.
And only one of these players who is seated on chair that is numbered between 2 prime numbers. So one chair between 2 prime numbers will get a low score. So which chair number is between 2 prime numbers?
1 is not between any 2 prime numbers. 4 is between 3 and 5. 8 is
Not between two prime numbers.
9 is also not between 2 prime numbers.
All right. So there is only one chair that is chair number
4.
4. That is between 2 prime numbers.
Which will get a low score. So for 4, we are sure as to which type of score it is going to get.
Okay. Second statement. Other than one player. Other than one player, all other players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even do not get a moderate. So even वालों को देखेंगे, उनको moderate नहीं मिलना चाहिए, but there is exception with 1.
So let's ignore that part.
So ignored this point. So all players with even number get a moderate.
Do not get a moderate.
Do not get a moderate.
So 2 will not get a moderate. 4 doesn't get a moderate. 6 will not get a moderate. 8 will not get a moderate. 10 will not get a moderate. 12 will not get a moderate. We will remember that there is one of these who will get a moderate.
Yes. So exception है एक person के लिए. All right.
ठीक है. तो हम लोग इस पे वापस आएंगे. So this striked out
हाँ.
phrase.
Now statement number 3. The players who are seated on chairs that are numbered multiples of 4 do not get high. Multiples of 4 do not get high. No exception.
So 4 doesn't get high. 8 doesn't get high. 12 also doesn't get high.
Sir, one question. Shubham, you are asking 6 is also between two prime numbers, but we'll have to check among these numbers now. So if I'll go back to that statement, the players who are seated on chairs that are either perfect square or perfect cube. So that number should be a perfect square or perfect cube, right? Do not get high scores, and only one of these players. So one of these players will be between two prime numbers. Okay, right? So 6, yes, it is between 5 and 7, but 6 is not a perfect square, not a perfect cube. So that is why we'll not consider chair number 6. We have considered only chair number 4 for that. I hope you are clear.
Harshad says circular.
Sir, here mentioned sitting in circular position. Yes, so you can make it a circle. We could have made a circle, but like there is nothing called arrangements here because all these 12 chairs are arranged in the same sequence. So you can consider them as linear or a circular. It will not make any kind of difference here. Okay.
हर्षद इसको वो लेस समझ लो, वो बाद में अपन उसको ना रोटेट कर देंगे टेबल के अराउंड. So this is like a strip which we will put it around the circular table. It will give us the same sequence, right? So circle बनाना जरूरी नहीं है.
As you must have read the question, there is nothing, no condition which is saying that a person having low score is sitting on the left of high or 2 left of high, 3 left of high. So circular का as such कोई concept नहीं है यहाँ पे हर्षद, right? Next statement पढ़े sir.
हाँ.
Number 4. Other than one player, again exception है यहाँ पे. All other players who are seated on prime numbered chairs. Prime numbered chairs 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Do not get high scores.
तो मैं इसको स्ट्राइक आउट कर देता हूँ. इस कंडीशन को अपन इग्नोर करते हैं. Let's forget about this condition. We will come back to this later.
We'll come back to this condition. So all the players who are seated on prime numbers do not get high.
So 2 will not get high. 3 will not get high. 5 will not get high. 7 will not get high. 11 will not get high. But out of these people, 1 will get high.
1 will get high. Okay? चले आगे. Number 5. Among the players seated on seats numbered 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 वाला जो है, neither gets a moderate score. Fine. So 3 and 7 का moderate नहीं होगा. ये definite है.
So we will remove 3 and 7 का moderate.
Right? And their scores fall under different categories.
So right now we have 3 and 7 only low left. But if we remember the previous statement itself, previous condition, it said कि कोई एक बंदा है. There is one player who is seated on the chair number which is a prime number will definitely get
Right.
higher score.
So
3 and 7 में से किसी एक को high score आना चाहिए.
Alright, so we'll erase this 3 and 7. So out of 3 and 7, one of them will get low and the other will get high. I'll change the color.
हाँ, तो इसके ना वो कर लेते हैं, एक रेड ले लेते हैं. So if 3 is low, 7 is going to be high, or if 7 is low, 3 is going to be high.
So 1 high, so we have already taken care of this exception. That is why we have erased that. Right?
So if you reread condition number 4 and 5, 4 says other than one player, एक को छोड़ के, it's either 3 or 7. All other players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as prime numbers do not get high scores. So 2 doesn't get high score. 3, if it is low, he doesn't get a high score. So if 3 is low, that means 7 gets a high score, which means वो 7-1 player है. If 3 gets a high score, then 3 is that one player and 7 doesn't get a high score. So आगे वाले को भी high score नहीं मिल रहा है. So 4th and 5th statement, they both are taken care of. ये लो चाहिए.
Right. So now can we say that 2 will definitely get a low? Can I check this thing? So एक exception था. Number 2, even player do not get moderate. So I believe there is still an exception. So I cannot convincingly say that 2 will definitely get a low.
हाँ, ये अभी fill नहीं कर सकते हम.
fill नहीं कर सकते, जरूरी नहीं है. Right? Last condition, the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even but not multiples of 4. So even but not multiples of 4. That means 2, 6 and 10. So even but not multiples of 4 do not get moderate. Uncertainty hai ye.
So ये certain है.
हाँ. So number 2,
2 doesn't get a moderate.
6
6 doesn't get a moderate. 10 doesn't get a moderate. We already know that. Now, there are a lot of cells that are empty. For that, we need this part. High 3 ticks चाहिए.
Wait. Now we can say one more thing. This exception, number 2. All the players who are seated on chairs numbered as even do not get moderate other than one player. So that means 2 will definitely not get a moderate. So 2 will definitely get a low score.
So second and sixth if we club, 2 को moderate नहीं मिलना चाहिए, and it says other than one player, they are do not get a moderate. So 2 is definitely going to get a low score. ये fix है. So 2 fix हो गया.
6 will definitely not get moderate.
6 doesn't get moderate. He may get a high or a low.
Definitely not moderate. So
Definitely
circle कर
not
सकते हैं.
हाँ मतलब ये
And
fix है.
10 definitely not moderate. All right. So 4 final हो गया है.
7 final हो गया.
8 and 12, one of them will not get a moderate.
हाँ.
Right? So out of 8 and 10, according to this exception, out of 8 and 10,
एक को
one of
erase
them
करना
will
पड़ेगा.
not get a moderate.
We'll have to erase one of them.
So out of 8 and 10, one of them will not get moderate. Okay, I'll write it separately.
अब यहाँ काउंट करते हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ हाई वाले हमारे पास 3 चाहिए. वन आउट ऑफ दीज टू इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंट. या तो रेड हम टिक करेंगे या ब्लू करेंगे. सो 1 डन. वी नीड अनदर 2.
So definitely this is high and this is high. So जो definitely पता लगता जा रहा है मैं उसको circle करता जा रहा हूँ.
The moment we get 6 has got a high, can't get a low. 10 has got a high, can't get a low. So इसका 3 complete हो गया.
Right. So 3 highs are already there.
Next, we need the moderate total 4, out of which we have 1, 2, 3, 4 places left, right? And in the case of low, we have got 1, 2, or one of these. ये total हमारे पास 1, 2, 3, 1 out of red and blue, that is 4. And we have some spaces left जो कि इधर से हमें compensate करने हैं. Now, एक second. Now the thing is, if you read that second statement, it says, other than one player, एक को छोड़ के, all other players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers do not get moderate. So the question arises, can 6 be that player who doesn't get moderate? यही है ना? Do not get moderate. So can 6 be that player who doesn't get moderate? नहीं. ये तो already fix हो चुका था इधर से. Numbered as even numbers do not get a moderate. Okay. Can 8 be that player who doesn't get a moderate?
No. Because out of 8 and 10, one of them will get a one of them will not get a moderate out of 8 and 10.
So 10 doesn't get, तो 8 हो सकता है.
8 definitely not moderate. Sorry, 8 definitely will be moderate.
Out of 8 and 10, one doesn't get a moderate.
And the other will get a moderate.
तो यानी कि ये वाला हमारा moderate हो सकता है.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो हमारे पास जगह कितने खाली बच गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हमें fill कितने करने हैं? 4. So we can't really fill it out. It will depend on the question. 6 and 10 को high fill कर, हाँ जाओ, वो कर चुके हैं. We have already done that जगह. So, right? We cannot fill it out. It will depend on the question that what we need to fill. हम आगे भी fill नहीं कर सकते. Because there are 5 empty spaces and there are 4 of them.
We can say that this will definitely be a moderate. Reason?
6 fill हो गया ना? 6 and 10 fill हो गया. इसको circle कर लेते हैं.
So all the players who are seated on even numbered chairs do not get moderate.
हाँ.
Right? Except one. So this is the exception. Okay, fine. This is not moderate, not moderate, not moderate, not moderate, not moderate. Okay, so still there is one who will not. Fine.
नॉट मॉडरेट तो हो गए.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो मतलब एक को मॉडरेट चाहिए हमें.
हाँ, एक को मॉडरेट चाहिए.
तो एक को
that
मॉडरेट
is
तो वो
8
हमारा
number.
8 भी आ सकता है, 12 भी आ सकता है. क्योंकि 12 सर्किल नहीं है ना, वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. सी 10 इज फिल्ड, वन इवन नंबर, 6 इज डेफिनेट, 4 is definite, 2 is definite.
Right.
So we're left with 8 and 12. One of these two. मतलब ये अभी erase हो सकता है. We're not sure.
Right.
ठीक है. So questions आते जाएंगे, हम solve करते चलेंगे.
Okay. So questions पे चले.
हाँ. For how many players can the score category in which they fall be uniquely determined? तो चलते हैं वापस वाले पे. So as you can see, out of these 12, there are 2 players जिनका हमें फिक्स नहीं है. What will happen is, see, moderate हमें we need 4. So if I place these 4, ठीक है, so one of the low will go to high, another high will go to low, है ना. तो हमारे पास out of 12, 2 people we don't know the surety about it. तो वो 2 लोगों के कारण हमारा 12 में से 2 कम हो जाएगा, 10 हो जाने चाहिए. रुकिए सर, मैं erase कर देता हूँ जहां जहां टिक कर रहा है.
Another 2, 8.
ठीक है, तो हमारे पास कितने लोग यहां पर बचे हुए हैं टोटल? 4.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 लोग बचे हैं.
4 लोग हैं. एक नहीं, 5 है ना इसमें. 5 people are here. Numbered as perfect cubes. Number between 2 prime numbers gets a low score. ठीक है. Other than one player, all players who are sitting on number as even do not get a moderate score.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
तो एक को moderate मिलना है.
हाँ.
And players who are seated even numbers, non-multiple of 4, do not get a moderate score. Multiple of 4 वाला किधर था? Seated on either number do not get high scores. ठीक है. Among the players who sit in ये भी ठीक है. Who sit in either numbers as even numbers but are not multiples of 4, do not get a moderate score. So 8 and 12 जो है, इसमें ये.
So I was saying 8 will definitely get a moderate because out of 8 and 10, exactly one of them will not get moderate.
Does it say exactly one of them?
So this is what we
किधर है?
concluded. No, this is what we concluded. All the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered even do not get moderate other than one.
Okay. और 10 वाला इधर से आया था ना, which are not multiples of 4 do not get a moderate. So 10 doesn't get a moderate because of this. 10 doesn't get a moderate because of this. So if 10 doesn't get a moderate, so 8 has to get a moderate. तो आप बोल रहे हो कि ये टिक हो जाएगा.
Right.
ठीक है.
Also, even numbered do not get moderate other than one. So do not get moderate other than one.
तो do not get moderate तो एक 8 पे हो गया.
Right.
So 8 gets a moderate, that means 12 gets a low.
Right.
ठीक है. और
Then-
कौन बचा हमारे पास? So see, high is complete. High का 3 हो गया. Moderate के we have filled out
8.
1. एक ही fill हुआ है.
हाँ.
So only 1 is filled. Low के we have filled out 1, 2, 3 and one of them 4. यही है ना?
हाँ.
1, 2, 3 और इन दोनों में से कोई एक. So 4. 1 low and 3 moderates we are not sure. So इसमें से whichever turns out to be low, the other 3 will turn out to be moderate. और जो हमें 3 moderate पता चल जाएगा उसका low पता चल जाएगा. अच्छा, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट मतलब क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. सो किसका नहीं पता? 4 लोगों का नहीं पता.
4 लोगों का नहीं पता हमें.
So 12 minus 4, that is going to be 8.
Yes. So that is the answer.
वापस चलना. 10 is not a multiple of 4. Shubham, we know that. See, the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers but are not multiples of 4. ये 10 है ना? The player who is seated on chair that is even. 10 is an even number, not multiple of 4. 10 is not a multiple of 4. यानी कि seat number 10 पे there is no moderate score. So seat number 10 पे there is no moderate
And this
score.
is definite. Okay.
यहाँ पर कोई नहीं लिखा कि
There is no
except
except.
for one player or something. It's talking about all such ones. Got it, Shubham?
Sir, either 12 or 8 for moderate.
Either 8 or 12 for moderate. हाँ, so 8 turns out to be moderate, no?
Yes.
क्योंकि last statement में ना the numbers that are even numbers but are not multiples of 4 उसमें से हमारे पास 10 आ गया था. Now between 8, 10 and 12 we knew कि 12 can't be moderate from there. तो बचा हमारे पास 8 and 10. 10 भी पता चल गया not moderate. Statement number 2 से इसकी एक तो है जिसका moderate होगा. Nobody else can have moderate, so 8 ही बचा which will have moderate. Okay, I'll repeat. 8, 10 and 12 may say 12 cannot have moderate. 10 was not able to have moderate because of statement number 6. Right? So that means there is only one person left, as in one seat left, which is number 8. उसको moderate होना पड़ेगा because it says other than one player. मतलब एक तो है जिसको moderate होएगा. 8 is the leftover, so 8 is full, 12 is full. We are only not sure about 1, 5, 9 and 11.
Right. So that is why answer is 12 minus 4. Okay. चलिए next पे चले.
In which category does the score of the player seated on the chair number 12 fall into?
So it is low.
Low पे?
So answer is low. Right.
Hold on. Karun, Shubham and Virendra. अभी एक बार हम लोग आंसर चेक कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. Let's verify if we have done if you have done any mistake or not. Then we will go back and I will explain कि why 12 cannot be moderate. Next. For how many players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers can scores be definitely categorized as low? चलते हैं. Even numbers में low 1, 2, 3. There are 3 people जो even number पे बैठे हैं and it will be low.
Definitely.
Definitely it will be low. Right? The other 2 low is going to be one among 3 and 7 for sure. And the 5th one is going to be either 1, 5, 9 or 11. वो तो odd है for sure.
Okay, so answer should be
3. तीन ऐसे even number है जिनका low आ रहा है. C option
number
3. ठीक है, next. Which of these statements is definitely true? The player seated on a seat number as 5 gets a high score. जहां तक याद है 1, 5, 7 and 11 था या 9 and 11 था? एक बार चल ले. पीछे.
Sorry.
1, 5, 9 and 11. 1, 5, 9, 11 में नहीं पता. चलते हैं उधर ही. I'll copy paste it. 1, 5, 9 and 11 में लो एंड मीडियम इज रिक्वायर्ड. एक इनमें से कोई लो होगा और बाकी 3 मीडियम होंगे. विच वन इज लो, विच वन इज मीडियम, वी हैव नो आइडिया. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन सेज प्लेयर सीटेड ऑन अ सीट नंबर एज 5 गेट अ हाई स्कोर. हाई तो बिल्कुल नहीं आने वाला. ये
Definitely false.
ये तो false है. The player seated on a seat numbered as 11 gets a moderate score. Not sure.
Not sure. So
बिल्कुल sure.
maybe true, maybe false. So I want definitely true.
3 players seated on chair numbers as odd numbers get a moderate score. एक लो होगा और 3 moderate होंगे. Whichever 3 are going to be moderate, they are seated on odd numbered chairs.
And definitely true.
तो see true. Yeah.
Okay. So we don't know which 3 are these players, but definitely out of these 3 will be having 3 moderate. Okay. So the correct answer should be option C. Let's check it out if it is the correct answer. Yes, it is the correct answer. Question number 5.
For how many players who are seated on seats that are numbered as odd players can the score category in which they fall be uniquely determined? So odd number seats जाना है जिनका हमें स्कोर कैटेगरी पता चल सके. For sure. चलते. Odd number में 1 का not sure, 3 का not sure, 5 का कैटेगरी पता करना, 5 का नॉट श्योर, 7 का नॉट श्योर, 9 का नॉट श्योर, 11 का नॉट श्योर। इसमें से हमें किसी का भी नहीं पता चल रहा। एक बार फिर से चेक कर ले क्वेश्चन का लैंग्वेज। For how many players who are seated on seats that are numbered as odd numbers can the score category in which they fall be uniquely determined? चलते हैं। ऑड नंबर का थ्री एंड सेवन नॉट यूनिक राइट। जीरो होना चाहिए या टू होना चाहिए। ऑड सीट नंबर में यूनिकली डिटरमाइंड should it be 3 7? No, we can't uniquely determine 3 7 no।
Yes.
3 भी हमारा नहीं है, 7 भी नहीं है। जीरो गड़बड़ ना हो जाए कुछ। चलिए क्वेश्चन पे वहां पे जीरो टाइप इन कर देते हैं।
So answer is
मेरे को तो जीरो आ रहा है।
okay. Let's move on to next question.
For how many players who are seated on seats that are numbered as odd numbers can the score category in which they fall can be uniquely determined?
Zero.
Data है ना।
Question number 6. Okay, so wrong answer for this. हाँ
एक मिनट जाके एक बार देखें, एक वापस आंसर पे। 2 आ रहा है, एक मिनट। Numbered as odd numbers can the score category in which they fall be uniquely determined? गलती तो कहीं करी नहीं है। 6 पे
Yes.
चलते हैं जरा। Find the sum of seat numbers which are even and have players who definitely have high scores. तो उधर चलते
even
हैं।
high scores.
Even वाला high scores. So even and high scores we have a 6
Definitely.
and 10.
And the next high will be out of 3 or 7.
पर हमें पता
So it is
नहीं।
not even. So जो भी है इनमें से एक ही होगा but even
दोनों ही नहीं
नहीं है. So answer will be
6
6
and 10.
and 10. 6 plus
Sum
10
चाहिए,
is
sum
हाँ,
चाहिए था ना?
sum चाहिए.
16 होना
हाँ
चाहिए।
एक बार क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं दोबारा. So question is find the sum of seat numbers which are even and definitely have high.
So
So it is
sum वाला है तो
6 plus 10.
16 होना चाहिए।
Answer should be 16. Let's check it out. And yes, it is 16.
तो वो वाला 2 क्यों
फिफ्थ
आ रहा
क्वेश्चन
है?
कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है वो.
एक
हाँ.
बार वापस चल दे, एक बार देख लेते हैं। For how many players who are seated on seats that are numbered as odd numbers can the score category in which they fall be uniquely determined? See, we already know that out of 12 people, only 8 people का sure है। तो 6 तो इवन वाले ही हो गए उधर।
हाँ.
बाकी 6 ऑड वाले में से हमें पता है कि 3 and 7 का कैटेगरी है, बाकी 4 ऑड नहीं पता हमें, 3 7 भी नहीं पता। तो हाउ कम आउट ऑफ दो 6 वी कैन नो 2 का?
No, we cannot.
वी कैन नॉट।
Yes. So answer should be 0. Yes.
जीरो ही होना चाहिए।
So I think there is an error while typing this. Okay.
हो सकता है।
Right. So let's
ठीक
move
है।
on.
3 7 का नहीं हुआ तो पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर 8 नहीं होना चाहिए ना, 6 होना चाहिए। चलो वापस चलते हैं। शुभम, which all types you are saying? 6 किस इसका 6 कर रहे? वापस चलते हैं। शुभम, do we know the category of 1? No. Do we know the category of 2?
Yes.
Yes. So मैं एक डिफरेंट कलर यूज कर लेता हूँ, रेड कर लेता हूँ। 2 का श्योरिटी है, 3 का श्योरिटी
नहीं.
नहीं है। इसमें यूनिकली डिटरमाइंड ही था। 4 का, 6 का, अच्छा 7 का नहीं है ना। 8 10 12 6 का हमें पता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे जाइएगा। हमने 3 7 इंक्लूड कर लिया था क्या?
हाँ हमने शायद 3 7 इंक्लूड कर लिया.
So for how many players can the score category in which they fall be uniquely determined? अच्छा हमने 3-7 include कर लिया था. We don't know 3 and 7 का ना. Do we have prime numbers से related कोई?
Yes.
Other than one player, proportional even number do not get plus numbers multiple do not. Other than one player, all the players who are seated on chairs at numbers prime number do not get high scores. So 1 doesn't get high score, 5, 7,
2 did not get high score. 3 did not get high score.
7.
5 did not get high. 7 did not get high.
3 और 7 में से एक को हाई नहीं मिलेगा, दूसरे को
तो
मिलेगा.
हो गया exception cover.
हाँ,
So
11 को
5
हाई नहीं होना.
5 should not get high. 11 should not get high. Fine, we have taken care of this.
कोई और है odd number का? Perfect score or perfect cubes do not get high scores. 4 doesn't get a high score. High score. 8 doesn't get high score. 1 doesn't get high. 9 doesn't get high. And दो प्राइम नंबर्स के बीच में वाले को लो स्कोर. So 4 gets a low score. यानी कि उसका आंसर 2 होना चाहिए और इसका 8 होने के चाहिए. मतलब दो लोगों का हमें पता होना चाहिए. और 3, 7 को तो डेफिनेटली नहीं पता है. 1, 5, 9 and 11, 2 out of these people we should know. Players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers do not get a moderate score. So 2 को moderate नहीं है, 4 को नहीं है, 6 को नहीं है, 8 को नहीं है, 10 को नहीं है, 12 को नहीं है, लेकिन किसी को 8 को moderate है. Seated on chairs that are numbered as multiples of 4 do not get high scores. So 4 doesn't get high, 8 doesn't get high, 12 doesn't get high. Other than one player, all other players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as prime numbers, ये तो देख चुके हैं.
I also believe that answer should be 6.
6 होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
The players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers but are not multiples of 4, that is 2, 6 and 10, do not get a moderate score. इसमें कोई condition भी नहीं है. So 2 shouldn't get moderate, 6 shouldn't get moderate, 10 shouldn't get moderate.
Right. So चलते हैं आगे. ठीक है. So number 1 answer yes, Shubham, you are right. So it should be 6. Okay. चले. Now let's move on to the second set for the day. Second set भी है आपके लिए.
सेकंड सेट करके ना वो वीरेंद्र और करुण का भी डाउट है कि 12 कैसे हमें फिक्स है. 12 कैन ऑल्सो बी मॉडरेट. वो चेक कर लेंगे.
12 तो नहीं था. हाँ. चलिए. So next question, next set. Again, this is a good set based on numbers. So you can read it. I'll read it for you. So two friends, Uday and Rashmi, went to meet one of their college seniors, Suraj. Uday had talked to Suraj and asked for his room number in the college hostel, but he forgot it on the way to the Suraj's room. When Rashmi asked Suraj's room from Uday, he said that he had forgotten it. However, he said that he could give her some hints so that she can figure out the room number on her own. So कहानी है यहाँ तक, पूरी की पूरी कहानी है. Okay. Now Uday told her that the room number is a 2 or 3 digit number. So the room number can be either 2 or 3 digit number, which is the result when a natural number is subtracted from its perfect cube. So it is of the form n cube minus n. Now let's factorize this one. So after factorizing n cube minus n, Naveen sir has got 3 numbers which are consecutive. So this should be the product of 3 consecutive numbers. So that means the room number, which is either a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number, should be the product of 3 consecutive numbers, right? So can we say that, Naveen sir, the nature of the number will definitely be even?
हाँ, तो ये 1 तो नहीं हो सकता because it says 1 cube minus 1 नहीं हो सकता. So we need to start n with 2.
हाँ, minimum value of n will be 2.
So 2 into 3 into 4 हो सकता है, which is going to give us 24, which is very much possible. We can have 3 into 4 into 5, which is going to be 60. वेरी मच पॉसिबल। ये कहाँ तक जा सकता है?
हाँ, कहाँ तक जा सकता है?
9 into 10 into 11
is 990.
इसके आगे जाएंगे, it will become a 4-digit number.
Okay, so Naveen sir has written all the possibilities. So it cannot be 1 into 2 into 3 because it is equal to 6. It should not be a single digit number. Then 2 into 3 into 4.
नहीं,
It is
1 into 2 into 3 हो सकता है।
नहीं हो सकता ना?
n की वैल्यू 1 नहीं हो सकती because
No,
this
no,
will
no.
give us
So
0
room
into
number
1.
will be a 2 or 3 digit number.
अच्छा, उस सेंस में।
So room number is a 2 or 3 digit number. So 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. So that is why this possibility is eliminated. I can start from 2 into 3 into 4, which is 24. 3 into 4 into 5, which is 60. 4 into 5 into 6 is 120. Up till 9 into 10 into 11, that is 990. After that, 10 into 11 into 12
1320,
will be a
1320.
3 digit number.
4 digits।
Sorry, 4 digit number.
1320 हो जाएगा।
So it is eliminated. So these are how many possibilities? 8
2 से 9,
possibilities.
8 cases।
ठीक है.
चलते हैं।
Next is, for example, how Rashmi said that she will need some more information to figure out. So we have shortlisted some of the cases.
8 possibilities. When the room number is written as a product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, the 3 numbers do not have a common factor.
Do not have a common factor. So that means they should be co-prime with respect to each other.
So इसके दो possibility हैं. If n minus 1 is even into odd, because these are consecutive numbers. Or the second is the first number is odd, the middle number is even, and the third number is again odd. Because of the first condition, ये नहीं हो सकता. Because when you have two even numbers, तो ये co-prime तो होंगे नहीं. They will always be multiple of 2. So it has to be odd into even into odd का scenario.
That means the first of these three numbers, 3 consecutive numbers, should be an odd number.
तो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं यहाँ 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 लिख लेता हूँ, क्योंकि इसके आगे नहीं जाना है. 9 into 10 into 11 is the last. तो मैं 10, 11 भी लिख लेता हूँ. तो इसी रेंज में होगा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 3 कंसेक्यूटिव. 2, 3, 4 हो सकता है फर्स्ट, और लास्ट का 9, 10, 11.
So that means the first number should be an odd number. So I can start with 3, 5, 7 or 9.
So 3 into 4 into 5 हो सकता है, 5 into 6 into 7, 7 into 8 into 9, and 9 into 10 into 11. These are the 4 possibilities.
Also, among the 3 numbers, there is a perfect square and a perfect cube of 2 different natural numbers.
Perfect square है, perfect cube नहीं है. We don't have none of them. Perfect square and perfect cube. So this makes sense. There is a perfect square, there is no perfect cube. So 7 into 8 into 9, which is...
what is the room number?
504.
7 into 8 into 9 is 504. And yes, that is the answer. All right. Next question. Question number 2. The room number does not end with a 0. So that means out of the 3 numbers, I cannot take 5
हाँ, so
or 10.
मैं 3, 4, 5 नहीं ले सकता, 4, 5, 6 नहीं ले सकता,
5, 6, 7 नहीं
5,
ले
6,
सकते.
7 नहीं ले सकता.
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8 can come, 7, 8, 9 can come, and then 10 will come in.
Huh.
So these are the 3 possibilities because of the first statement.
When it is written as the product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, none of these numbers is a perfect square.
Now 2 into 3 into 4 is not a 3-digit number, it's a 2-digit number. So ये नहीं हो सकता.
Right. So it is a 3-digit number. This is also given.
So one of these two.
None of the 3 numbers should be a perfect square.
So 9 आ गया, तो ये perfect square है. So this should be the answer.
So we have again shortlisted only one possibility, 6 into 7 into 8.
Which is 7 cube minus 7, 343 minus 7, which will give us 336.
And that is the answer. All right. Next question. The room number ends with a 0.
So it is mandatory now to have a 5 or a 10.
A multiple of 5.
So 3 into 4 into 5, 4 into 5 into 6, 5 into 6 into 7, ये हो सकता है. Then we can have
8, 9,
8
10.
into 9 into 10, and we can have 9 into 10 into 11. These
It
are
is
the
the-
only products that will end in a 0.
It is a 3-digit number. All of them are. No.
3, 4, 5 नहीं है.
3, 4, 5 nahi hai.
यहाँ
4, 5,
से.
6. Now, when it is written as the product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, None of these numbers is a perfect square.
So 4 हट गया, 9 वाला हट गया, ये बचा.
Only one possibility is left again.
Which is 6 cube minus 6, which is 210.
अरे ऐसे ही मल्टीप्लाई कर लो ना, क्यों बच्चों को डरा रहे हो? So 5 into 6 into 7. Okay. So 5 into 6 into 7 is 210. Okay. And 210 is the final answer. Next question. It's a 3-digit number. When it is written as the product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, none of these numbers are prime.
तो
Okay.
नीचे से शुरू करते हैं.
Uh,
9 into 10 into 11 we can't
cancel.
take. We can take 8 into 9 into 10.
Right. We
इसके
cannot
पहले लेंगे तो 7
consider
आएगा.
7 वाले 3 हटा दिए.
7 हटाएंगे तो 5 फिर आ जाएगा. If you remove 5 then 3 टांग अड़ाएगा. हटा ही नहीं सकते. This is the only
So we have only one possibility because every other case will have at least one prime number.
Either 7 will come in or 5 will come in or 3 will come in. ऐसे भी दो का गैप है, ये फंसेंगे. So 720 होना चाहिए.
720 is the answer.
Next.
It's a 3-digit number ending in 0. So again 5 का multiple होना चाहिए. How many possibility exists?
So the starting is 3 into 4 into 5, which is not a 3-digit number. So we can have 4 into 5 into 6, and then we can have 5 into 6 into 7.
And
अब
then
10 वाला चाहिए हमें, तो 8 into 9 into 10 is the next one, and then 9 into 10 into 11. So these are the 4 cases which will end in a 0, and it will be a
3-digit number.
3-digit number.
So I show 4 possibilities
20. हाँ 4 होने चाहिए.
and the answer is 4. Alright. Next question. That's all.
वापस चल रहे उनका करुण का और उसका 12 वाला क्लियर कर लेते हैं.
Which question?
क्वेश्चन वो टेबल जो इनिशियली दैट वी ड्रू. Okay, let's be clear. Karun, Shubham and Virendra, do you still have this query that 12 can also be moderate? Please let us know. क्योंकि 12 और 10 में पॉसिबिलिटी है, तब तो ये तो और कम हो जाएगा. 6 से कम. पहले का आंसर 6 से कम वैल्यू है भी नहीं ऑप्शन. Quick, let us know that are you still having the doubt that 12 can be moderate?
No, I think they are clear with this doubt. Yes, they have the doubt.
Okay. तो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं इसको इरेज करके.
So I'll quickly clear that.
ये
यहाँ पे-
इरेजर अभी.
Acha. So all the players who are seated on even number chairs do not get moderate, right? Except one. So even number पे moderate नहीं होना चाहिए except one player. Who is this one? Right? So we already had an exception. यहाँ पे इसका moderate है. So this point is very much clear. That means 12
बोल रहे
cannot be
12 पे
moderate.
कर लो और 8 पे छोड़ो. 8 पे मॉडरेट मत हटाओ. 8 पे मॉडरेट मत करो. बोले 12 को मॉडरेट कर लो और 8 को लो कर लो.
Okay, he's saying 8 को हम low कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, 8 and 12 इंटरचेंज कर लो आप.
Multiples of 4 do not get high. All right. Prime number do not get high. Not required. 3 and 7, fine. Even, not multiples of 4. इनमें से कुछ नहीं है ऐसा.
ये बोल रहे 8 को लो कर लो, 12 को मॉडरेट कर लो.
The players who are seated on chairs that are either a perfect square or perfect cube
Do not get high.
do not get high. So नहीं कर सकते.
8 को हाई नहीं कर रहे.
8 को high नहीं कर
8 को
सकते.
लो कर रहे.
Okay, do not get high. And get a low.
Players who are sitting that are numbered as even numbers but are not multiples of 4, यानी कि उसके छोड़ के do not get a moderate. उसका 8 and 12 से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Right? And among the players, the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as multiples of 4 do not get high. So 8 को ऐसे भी high नहीं आ रहा था because it's a perfect cube. And 12 is not going to get high because it's a multiple of 4. Right? 12 का low कैसे हो गया था? How did we remove low? How did we mark that कि वो 12 can't be a moderate one? वो हमने मार्क कर रखा था
हाँ.
कि वो मॉडरेट नहीं हो सकता.
Even do not get moderate.
मेरे ख्याल से हाई वाले में दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए, ये मॉडरेट में ही दिक्कत नहीं चाहिए. So, people are seated as perfect squares or perfect cubes do not get high. So, perfect squares do not get high, perfect cubes do not get high, perfect square do not get high, perfect cubes do not get high. And only one of these players who is seated between two prime numbers gets a low score. So, that is 4, definitely gets a low score. So, ये हटा देते हैं. So, एक low हो गया. Other than one player, let's ignore this. All other players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers do not get a moderate. So 2 doesn't get a moderate, 4 doesn't get a moderate, 6 doesn't get a moderate, 8 doesn't get, 10 doesn't
12.
get, 12 doesn't get a moderate. I have ignored this. Okay, the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as multiples of 4 do not get high. So 4 को हाई नहीं मिलेगा, 8 को हाई नहीं मिलेगा, 12 को हाई नहीं मिलेगा. This is a guarantee. So 4 is a guarantee. 8 को यहां नहीं कर सकते, 12 को यहां नहीं कर सकते.
ये गारंटी है.
गारंटी मैंने सर्कल कर दिया, वो होगा ही नहीं उधर को. Okay, so third point done. Next is the players who are seated on chairs that are numbered as even numbers but are not multiples of 4 do not get a moderate.
Okay.
So 2 doesn't get a moderate और यहाँ कोई exception नहीं है. So 2 को moderate नहीं मिलेगा, right? 6 को moderate नहीं मिलेगा and 10 को moderate नहीं मिलेगा.
Definitely.
Right? और वो इस वाले में नहीं है. ठीक. Now the moment we have this वाला part other than one player. Now that player can be one among 8 or 12 who can get who will not get a moderate one. ठीक है. So that's what you guys are saying कि 8 can get a moderate, 12 can get a low, or 8 can get a low, 12 can get a moderate. Why did we remove that? हाँ, तो ये हो गया था. ठीक है, अभी देखो अब क्या हो गया. से 10 को तो नहीं होगा. 8 will actually get a moderate and 12 will get a low.
Yes.
हम लोगों ने शायद पहले 12
हमने उल्टा कर दिया था.
हाँ. 8 will get a moderate and 12 will get a low, not the vice versa. Reason being, the statement here says only. अच्छा, वो eraser था. Here the statement says जो भी वो perfect square, perfect cube का है, उसमें से there is only one player जिसको लो मिलेगा. तो लो तो हम दे चुके.
Get a low. Yes, exactly.
तो 8 will not get a low.
Only one.
So only one gets it. So 8 को तो नहीं होएगा. तो 8 gets a moderate and 12 gets a low.
Okay, so this is the correction. Only one of these players who is seated on chairs, number between prime numbers, gets a low. So out of these, only one get a low. Others will not get a low.
So ये वाला part तो हो गया ना. One will get a moderate, which is 8.
Right.
तो ये fix हो गया.
हाँ.
So 2.
So that means 4 will not get moderate.
तो 2 भी फिक्स हो गया.
4 will not get moderate. तो यहाँ पे सर्कल कर सकते हैं.
हाँ 4 जो उसका सर्कल कर दिया वो तो फिक्स हो गया.
हाँ.
8 का भी अपने को पता चल गया, 10 का भी फिक्स है, 12 का भी फिक्स है. अब 3 और 7 में we already know that
one of them
3 is going
low
to be low
and other
7
is
is
high.
तो ये
तो हमारा क्लियर था पहले से ही.
फिक्स कर ले रहे हैं. तो मैं इसको कैंसिल आउट कर देता हूँ. ये वाला 6 का भी हम लोग सर्कल कर देते हैं, ये भी फिक्स हो जाएगा. राइट. तो ये अभी फिलहाल 6 लोग हो गए. आउट ऑफ दिस हाई का वी नो दैट वन अमॉन्ग दिस टू 1 2 3 हो चुके हैं.
सर्कल कर दे. ये फिक्स्ड है, ये फिक्स्ड है,
और एक इन दोनों में से है.
हाँ.
लो का टोटल वी नीड इज, सॉरी मीडियम का टोटल वी नीड इज 4, आउट ऑफ विच वी नो कि एक ये हो गया.
ये भी फिक्स्ड है तो नहीं होगा. ये भी फिक्स्ड है कि नहीं होगा.
ये भी फिक्स्ड है कि
नहीं होगा.
और वो भी फिक्स
ये भी फिक्स्ड है कि नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
So 1 2 3 and 4. These 4 are definitely medium.
नहीं, एक ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, so we need 3 of them to be
So
medium.
1 2 and 3.
ये भी
अच्छा,
one
वो
पे
खाली
भी-
है.
one-
ठीक है.
one भी अभी खाली है. So
Fine. Let's go to low. Low, I need 5. So 2 are fixed. Out of these 2, 1 is fixed.
तो 3 इधर हो ही जाएंगे.
3.
2 और चाहिए. That will depend on medium का सिनेरियो.
Right.
तो इसमें it says prime numbers वाले को do not get high scores. So 2 is done, 3 is done. एक तरह से मैं 3 भी सर्कल कर देता हूँ. Kind of done ही है. नहीं करता.
नहीं.
So 2 is done. 5 doesn't get a high score. 7 doesn't get a high score. 9 doesn't get a, sorry 11 doesn't get a high score. वैसे 3 and 7 में एक other than one player वाला तो it is
हाँ, taken care of.
taken care of. 3 and 7 में किसी को भी moderate नहीं है, that is pretty sure, and their scores fall under different categories. So one gets a low, another gets high, and vice versa. So fifth statement done, fourth done. The players who are seated on chairs at a number, ये even का है, ये even का है, ये हमारे पास. Only one of these players who is seated between two prime numbers gets a low score. So 1 also doesn't get a low score. Same वही logic.
Right.
So 1 definitely gets a medium. तो 1 fix हो गया.
Hmm.
Which is the other perfect square of perfect cube? 9.
Right.
9 को भी low नहीं आ सकता. तो इसको median ही आएगा.
Hmm.
और कोई? तो कितने हो गए medium का? 1 2 3.
3 medium.
3 medium हो गए.
All right. Now
Between
done.
5 and 11 we are not sure.
So between 5 and 11 we are not sure, and 3 and 7 we are not sure.
ठीक है.
So अब वो जो first question था,
हम्म.
now 8 is correct answer for this.
ठीक है. और उस पे जाते हैं. एक और था ना जो हमसे
Number 5
मैच कर रहा था. For how many players जो कि odd number seats पे बैठे हैं और उनका कैटेगरी पता है.
uniquely determined.
Can be.
Can the score category be uniquely determined?
ठीक है.
Odd
Odd number पे कितने हो जाएंगे? Can. Odd number पे 1 fix है, 9 fix है. 2 लोगों को पता है.
1 fix है, 3 नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 7 नहीं है, 9 है, 11 नहीं है.
So 2 लोग.
So 2 लोग हो जाएंगे. So yes, so answer for question number 5 should be 2, and yes, it is 2. So now this is perfect. Yes, static. Now it is perfect. Okay.
हाँ.
Great. Oh, it was
वो पहला लाइन का मिसमैच था. Only one.
only one.